name's Sarah Vance with Rebalance Life. I'm a mom and a nutritionist, so I know it's not always easy to get our kids to eat their fruits and veggies. One of our favorite tools is a smoothie. I'm going to show you one of our favorite smoothies today. So this little handy kitchen tool is called an Immersion Blender. It has so many uses. You can make soups right in the pot, you can make gravies, and it's a way to also make a really quick smoothie. If you don't have time to, or you don't want to dirty up your blender, or maybe you don't even have a blender, these are actually a pretty reasonable price tool. You can get them for, I think, as low as like $25. So what I have here is I've just got a little bit of non-dairy milk, and I put some chia seed in there because I always put chia seed in all my smoothies. And you can see this chia seed at the bottom of it really soaked up a lot of that liquid and has formed kind of a gel. And that gives you lots of energy. It has omega-3s. It slows the absorption of sugar into your bloodstream. The benefits of chia seed are almost endless. So we're going to put our base in there. It could even be coconut water, coconut milk, whatever you like. And then our antioxidant boost blueberries. And put those in there, and those are frozen blueberries to add a little thickness. We're going to put a little bit of frozen banana. If your immersion blender isn't strong enough to handle the frozen bananas, you can just use fresh. But I put these into smaller chunks to help the immersion blender along a little bit. I've got a little bit of protein powder, and this is a vanilla flavor. Just adds a little bit of extra nice vanilla taste. Just a tiny little pinch of Himalayan sea salt. You don't want to put too much. It just helps to bring out the sweetness and all the flavors. And then you just take your immersion blender and you put it all the way down. You always want to make sure it's immersed. That's why it's called an immersion blender. Otherwise, it's going to come flying all over you. So get that down to your bottom of your cup, and I want to kind of pump it a little bit, kind of push it up and down onto those frozen bits. And you never want to have too much liquid high in the glass either, because it could come splattering out and ruin your outfit. You just want to get that blended up. If you have a real powerful immersion blender, you could put ice in there and whatever else you want. And there you have it, your smoothie. I have my to-go cup ready to go because this morning I'm heading out the door and I want my smoothie in the car. So we're just going to pour your delicious blueberry banana smoothie in your to-go cup and you're ready to go.